Hi, this is Cheryl of Majestic Wire Artworks, and this is August 2019 Beebeecraft um, package opening. And I want to show you what I got this time. And I did things a little bit differently. I've pre-opened most of the packages just for ease of showing and so that I don't have to waste your time um, with all the cutting and everything. So I've kind of pre-opened this. Now, my supplier for chain went out of business, and I've been asked multiple times where I get my big spools of chain. And so this usually comes with cellophane wrapped around it. I've already taken it off. It was really easy to find the end. They have it right loose for you. So that was really nice because I've opened up cellophane wrapped spools before and they were a nightmare to open. So this chain is 3 by 4 millimeter. It is lead free and nickel free, and it's copper plated iron, and they're open links. So if you wish to, you can open the link up instead of using a jump ring, or you can just use a jump ring. Sometimes that's just easier. And so I'm hoping you can see that it's nice and it's textured. It's a nice size, so it's going to be very easy to work with. And on this spool is 100 meters of chain, so that's awesome. And so that's going to do a lot of projects. And well, I've used a lot of chains, so I need a project like that. And then the other big ticket item I got is Beebeecraft brought in some multi-size packs of some gemstones, and among them was some Larimer. And this is brought in by Panda Hall. Supplied by Panda Hall for Beebeecraft. And just slide this off. So there's 4 different sizes in here. 12 millimeter being the largest. So it's 12, 10, 8, and 6. And I have a special project in mind for these beads. Of course, I can't get these off. There we go. And my package got a little bit crunched in the mail, but the beads are just fine. And so thank goodness, eh? So it's we got the 6 and the 8 and the 10 and then the 12. And I have a special project in mind for them. So I'm making a tutorial using these. The chain will be involved. And before I release this video, I'm gonna have the other video made, so they'll be released at the same time. And so you can check in the description, and the link to the tutorial will be right there for you. Okay, so then I got one more item in the package, kind of as a filler, and it is the fall colors of the fox pearls, glass pearls, made by Aircraft. And these are 8 millimeter, and there's 100 beads in this little package. Really great price. Can't beat the price. And the colors, I wanted to check out. They call this the fall colors, and there's a brown. They call this a red, but it's more of a cranberry, I'd say, or fuchsia. There's purple. There's 2 tones of green. There's a mauvey, I don't know how, mauvey beige. And this is kind of like a golden cream color. Yeah, so great for making Thanksgiving jewelry as well as Christmas. And I thought they'd make wonderful cutesy earrings. My cutesy wrap earrings. And maybe I'll come up with a matching necklace for that. But anyways, that would be a future tutorial, and that'll be a wait and see. So that's all I got in my package for this time, but I did get 2 big ticket items, and I'm very excited to use them. So thanks for joining me. remember to check out the description where I'll have the link to the tutorial for using these 2 items, and check out the other gemstone beads that they have. I believe there was, I know there's garnets, and I think there's citrine, and garnets. There was 4 of them. So anyways, go check it out. I'll give you the link with these ones, and then in that link it'll have pictures of different gemstones. That's actual links to the other gemstones available in the multi-size packs. And the Larimar is really beautiful. Give it another close look there. Okay, so check out the tutorial and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.